guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious enfrijoladas. In case you don't know what enfrijolada is, an enfrijolada is basically like enchilada, but it is dipped in a bean sauce. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 cups of freshly boiled beans. I already have a video on this, so I will leave it in the description box. Corn tortillas, vegetable oil, 1 can of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and for your toppings you're going to need crema or sour cream, queso fresco, pico de gallo, shredded lettuce, and some avocado. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by making our dipping sauce. So I'm going to add my beans. Now you want to be careful because they are hot. We're going to add them in our blender. Alright, for our chipoles, I'm going to add the whole can. Now, if you don't want so much of the taste of the chipoles, then you can always add less. But my family like it, so I'm going to add the whole can. And now I'm going to get extra juice from my beans and just pour it in my can. Just halfway, and then we're gonna put that in our blender. So now we're just going to blend everything until we have a smooth sauce. Alright, so once it's nice and smooth, we're going to refry them. That's what they look like. And it smells delicious. Alright, so on medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my pan here. And I'm just going to wait for that to heat up so we can add our sauce. So once it's hot, we're going to add our sauce. Okay. So just stir it. Just like that. And I'm going to get a little bit of water just so I can clean up the rest of my sauce. So you don't want your sauce to be too thick, so if you feel like your sauce is too thick, just add a little bit more water. I think for me it's perfect right now, so we're just gonna wait for it to come to a simmer. But before it comes to a simmer, we're going to add our oregano. So just a half of a teaspoon. Just add it in there. And now just keep an eye on it. And we're gonna wait for that to come to a simmer. And also I forgot to mention, if you're not doing, the way I do my beans, before you add the sauce, you can always cut up some onion and garlic and just saute it before you add the sauce. But I do all that when I boil my beans. So they're the best. Alright, so once our sauce has come to a simmer, we're going to remove it from the heat and we're going to start getting our tortillas ready. So now in a small saucepan, I'm going to add some oil. And we want to add enough oil to dip our tortillas. If you want it a healthier version, you can just put your tortillas on the comal, but make sure that you don't toast your tortilla, because we just want them to be soft, so it'd be easy for us to roll them, and also for the sauce to stick to our tortilla. Alright, so once our oil is hot enough, we're going to add our tortilla. Now, like I said, we don't want the tortillas to be like tostadas. So we don't want the tortilla to be crunchy like a tostada. So as soon as you see it blistering, remove it from the oil. So we're just going to repeat the process until we're done with our tortillas. And the tortillas, you guys, they're cold, okay? So I have not microwaved them or nothing, because I know my previous enchiladas videos, like I had some comments saying that the tortillas break, which I never had that problem, you know, because once you dip them in the oil, they turn all soft. So I don't like to use another tortilla just to drain it. Alright, so once we have all of our tortillas ready, now we can start working on putting our enfrijoladas together. Alright, so I'm going to use queso fresco for the filling. I know some people use beans, but you know, it's whatever you have or whatever you decide to fill them in with. So now we're just going to dip our tortilla into our sauce. So we're just going to repeat the process until we run out of sauce. I'm going to add some more sauce. And then our crema. I'm going to add lettuce. Bit of lettuce, some queso fresco, some pico de gallo. Just gonna add some color. It smells so good. And of course, avocado. That's it. Ready to be enjoyed. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
My mouth is so watery.
Yeah, that's right.
Just making sure I have
Cheers.
everything. Yeah. A little bit of everything.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? Cheers. They're so delicious, you guys. And these are just perfect, you know, for those days that you don't know what to cook. What happened?
It's hot. This is good.
Eat it. Eat it.
Wow.
Eat it.
It's good.
They're seriously, you guys, super delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. You know, they're perfect for those days that you don't know what to cook and you just want something fast, easy, yet delicious. Or, you know, you simply just forgot to take out the meat. There you go. You guys ready to go sit there and eat?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's hot.
Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious enfrijoladas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what you think, and also if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.